Join me as I dive into the world of carbs and challenge myself to cut them out completely for a week to see if they really are the culprits behind weight gain. Let's talk about carbohydrates and their role in weight management. We've all heard that carbs are bad for us, that they're the primary cause of weight gain, but is this really the case? Today we're going to dig deeper and explore the science behind carbs and their impact on our waistline. There's a common perception that carbohydrates are the enemy when it comes to weight loss. Many of us have been told that cutting carbs is the key to shedding pounds, but is this really the whole story? Some experts argue that carbs are the main culprit behind weight gain, while others claim that it's not that simple. So what's the deal? Are carbs really the bad guys, or is there more to the story? The debate rages on, with some nutritionists telling us to avoid carbs at all costs, while others claim that whole, unprocessed carbs like fruits, veggies, and whole grains are actually good for us. It's no wonder we're all so confused. What's clear is that there's a lot of conflicting information out there, and it's hard to know what to believe. So let's take a step back and try to understand where this perception comes from. Have we been misled by fad diets and misinformation, or is there some truth to the idea that carbs are the main cause of weight gain? Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. They come in many forms, including simple sugars, complex carbs, and fiber. When we eat carbs, our body breaks them down into glucose, which is then used to fuel our muscles, organs, and brain. But what happens when we eat too many carbs, or the wrong kinds of carbs? The answer lies in how our body processes carbs. When we eat carbs, our body releases insulin to help regulate blood sugar levels. But when we eat too many carbs, our body can become resistant to insulin, leading to weight gain and even diseases like type 2 diabetes. Add to that the fact that many processed carbs are high in empty calories and low in nutrients, and it's no wonder we start to gain weight. But here's the thing, not all carbs are created equal. Whole, unprocessed carbs like fruits, veggies, and whole grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're also more filling, which means we're less likely to overeat. On the other hand, processed carbs like white bread, sugary snacks, and sweets are low in nutrients and high in empty calories. So what's the real culprit behind weight gain? Is it carbs, or is it something more complex? The truth is, weight gain is influenced by a variety of factors, including our overall diet, lifestyle, and even our genes. It's not just about cutting carbs, but about finding a balance that works for us. When we focus too much on a single nutrient like carbs, we forget about the bigger picture. We forget that our bodies are complex systems that require a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle to thrive. So, instead of cutting out carbs completely, what if we focused on finding a balance that works for us? What if we started by including more whole, unprocessed carbs in our diet and cutting back on processed foods? What if we focused on eating nutrient-dense foods, like fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains? And what if we combined that with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle? Would we start to see real results? And would we finally be able to shed those extra pounds? The answer is yes. By focusing on balance and moderation, rather than cutting out carbs completely, we can finally start to see real results. We can lose weight, improve our health, and even reduce our risk of disease. And that's the real takeaway here. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of carbs. If you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about nutrition and weight management, be sure to check out my other video on the topic. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos.